In this video, I want to show you how to use the linking reels on Instagram, which is recently introduced. First, open up the Instagram app. So if you want to use the reels linking feature here, you need to simply first update your Instagram app, and after that you need to simply upload Instagram reels. So here I want to just upload the Instagram reel. And after that you need to simply tap on next once you record the Instagram reel, and now you need to simply tap on next. Now here you notice that there is a new option, link a reel. So this is the option which allows you to linking reels on Instagram. So I want to just simply tap on link a reel, and here you notice it display all my previous reels. So select the specific reel that you want to link, and I want to just type here the linking reel label. So I want to type here links. So after that you need to simply tap on check mark. So as you notice it, I have successfully added another Instagram reel by using the linking feature. So now you notice that I have linked both reels, and after that you need to simply tap on the share. And once you successfully upload Instagram reels, so here you will find the links reel option. So I want to just open up the reel, and here you notice that it shows the link in this title. So and as you notice that the watch link is successfully added, and now if I tap on this one, so now I can easily go to the next reel that I have already linked. So in this way you can easily linking your reels together by using the link a reel option, which is recently introduced. And if you want to edit the link a reel option, you need to simply tap on the reel. Now tap on three lines. So here you will find the edit linking reel option. So this is the also new option. You need to simply tap on this one. So here you can easily change the reel link, and also you can unlink the reel from the existing reel. So I want to just change the reel. So as you notice that this is my last linking reel. So now I want to select another, and if I tap on the check mark, so here I can easily jump to the next reel that I have recently changed. So this is the brand new option on Instagram which allows you to linking your Instagram reels. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you find this video helpful for you, then please like, comment and share this video. Thank you so much for watching.